Hello guys, welcome. In today's video, we are going to learn the difference between two data types, lists and string. So the first difference is that lists are mutable and strings are immutable. So what is the meaning of mutable and immutable here? So for this, let's consider an example. So first let's create a list and store it in S variable. All right, and then I am going to create a list and store it in L variable. This list has 3 elements. Well, so this list containing 3 elements. So now we are going to apply some methods. As you can see that here lists are mutable and strings are immutable. Immutable means once the string is defined, it cannot be modified. So we can create a string, like if I can apply a method in S variable. So as you can see, if I run this program, you can see here string will modified in a new string, but we cannot add or remove anything from this string because strings are mutable. On the other hand, lists are immutable. We can add and remove elements from the lists, and lists are flexible. So as we have discussed in previous videos, we can apply methods. So pop method will remove the last element of the list. As you can see, first let's comment this code and then run this program. You can see here the third element of this list is removed. So as you can see here, we can add and remove element from the list, but we cannot add and remove element from strings. So how can we, so there is no method we have to add elements in in string. So but we can also apply other methods, just like title. So the title method will just convert this string into another string, but we cannot modify this object once it is created. But we can also add the fourth element in the list L. So we can use append method. We can use append method to add fourth element. Word 4. So as first, let's see what will the output generate the title by the title method. So as I run this program, you can see here, sorry, I have to comment this, and then you can see here the first letter of the string is in uppercase. So it is the new string generated by our previous string, but if we cannot modify it. On the other hand, if I run the list, you can see here the third element can be added and can be removed from the list. So this is the basic difference between the list and the string data types, that lists are mutable and strings are immutable, because in list we can add and remove elements. Whatever element we want, we can add or remove it from the list. But on the other hand, the string data types are immutable. It means that we cannot add and remove elements from the string because they are immutable. Once they are defined, they cannot be modified. That's all about today. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you very much for watching.